This is a review and unboxing of the Naruto Shippuden Tsunade version 2 1/8 scale figure from the Naruto Gals collection by Mega House. This figure was a limited release in 2020 and averaged at $170 US. The figure includes Tsunade, a bench, her summon Katsuyu which magnetically attaches to her shoulder, and a small sake cup which fits in her hand. The only complaint I have about this figure is that Katsuyu's magnet repels the magnet in Tsunade's shoulder. Therefore, it will never be able to attach correctly, but obviously some adjustments can be made. Overall, the figure is stunning and one of the best in my collection so far. Madhouse really outdid themselves on the dramatic draping of the fabric as well as the natural effect of gravity on the body. If you're able to get your hands on her, she is absolutely worth the price and will be an excellent addition to any figure collection.